Perfect. I got everything. All I didn't know is the coconut.
Me right here, man.
Who said that?
Me, look down here, man. Ah,
A talking coconut.
a talking black man.
You talk.
I'm a talking coconut, you're a talking black man. Your point was?
Hey, coconut. How comes you acting so racist?
I'm like an Oreo, man. White on the inside, black on the outside. Except I'm not an Oreo. I'm a coconut. Aha, aha, aha.
Wait a minute. I'm talking to a coconut. There's a talking coconut in my house.
Where is this man? Why you running away?
What's the number for 911?
Come back here, man. I have a joke to tell you.
Okay. Coconut, I give up. What do you want?
I have a joke to tell you.
Go ahead.
This is the best joke you will ever hear.
Just say the joke.
What's white on the inside and black on the outside?
It's obviously a coconut. You said it earlier.
No, man, you stupid. The answer is an Oreo. Ah, ha, 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 ha. Hey, you're not laughing, man.
That's not even funny. All I wanted to do was cut you open and blend you up so I can finish making my drinks.
Okay, how about a deal? If I can stop talking for longer than you, I stay. But if you stop talking longer than me, you get to eat me.
Okay, let's go. Okay, you can stay.
Yes, I win. Looks like I'll be here for a very long time.